Hey everyone, welcome back to Editing Basics. So on this video, I'm going to show you how to add signature in Picsart. So let's begin. First of all, open Picsart application. Now here you can see there's a plus icon on the middle. Tap on this to create a new project or open an old project. So now you can open any of the project that you like. So in order to add signature, here on the bottom, swipe right until you find the option called draw. Tap on this draw button. So here you can find different type of strokes. So tap on this text icon now. Now here tap on this adjust button and write your name. Write your name and tap on this tick button. So I prefer this Italian style. So after you do this, just swipe into the screen. So now your signature has been there. And now at last tap on the stick button. So as you can see, the signature has been imported here. So this is how you add signature in Picsart. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you.